This video we will present a second example, and we find the distribution of a quadratic function. Consider the function y equal x2, this function. The first thing I do is to plot it. So the next step is that for different values of y, I try to solve this equation y equal to g of x, which is equal to y equal x to the power of 2. Now, if y is negative, there is no solution for that. So for y negative, no solution. So the event y is smaller than or equal y, because this one has no solution, this event is going to be empty. So probability of these is going to be 0, which is equal to f of y for all y being negative. Obviously, if y is positive, now I solve it for, this is for y positive, for y being any positive number, like here, I draw this line and I solve this equation, y equal x2, I get two solutions. I get x1 equal to a square root of y, and I get x2 is equal to minus square root of y. So you see that this is my first solution x1, this is my second solution x2. If you want to consider the event y being smaller than y, so if you want to be below this line, your x, because you're always on this curve, your x should be equal to in this interval. So this event is equal to, say that x shall be between minus a square root of y and bigger than plus a square root of y. Obviously, probability of this one, which is the CDF, fy of y, is equal to probability that x falls in this interval, plus a square root of y and bigger than minus square root of y. In this case, you see that this is the CDF at this point, fx of plus a square root of y minus fx of minus a square root of y, the limit from the line. The reason is that here you have equality. So let us summarize this one. So the region of gx is smaller than or equal y. This guy is empty if y is negative, and the CDF is 0. For y positive, this becomes the interval of, so for negative, this guy is empty, CDF is 0. For this one, x is in this interval. And you can get this expression, and obviously you get this distribution. So if you know the distribution of x, just you plug it in. You replace x by square root of y. You replace x by minus square root of y. You subtract it, you have it, and you have the CDF here. If you calculate the derivative of this with respect to y, you get the PDF for y.